Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a credit card with Google Pay. First, open the Google Wallet app on your smartphone or other compatible device. Look for the Add to Wallet button, which is usually represented by a plus sign. Tap this button to begin the process of adding a new payment method. Then, select the payment card option from the choices presented to you. This will allow you to add. Next, you have two convenient options to input your card details. You can use your phone's camera to scan the card, which often autofills the 16-digit card number. Alternatively, you can manually enter the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit CVC code found on the back. Remember to also provide your billing address, as this is crucial for the verification process. To advance your Guardian, focus on increasing your light level by earning and equipping higher power gear. Destiny offers a wealth of activities, from 3-player strikes and 6-player raids to challenging dungeons, each providing unique rewards and experiences. If you enjoy player versus player combat, jump into the Crucible. For a blend of PvP and PvE, try Gambit. Regularly complete bounties and seasonal challenges to earn experience, unlock new gear, and progress through the seasonal track. Congratulations! Your credit card is now successfully connected to Google Pay and ready for secure transactions. To make a payment, simply look for the Google Pay or contactless payment symbol at checkout. Hold your unlocked phone near the payment terminal, and your device will prompt you to confirm the transaction. It's a quick, convenient, and secure way to pay for your purchases.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.